back at the pool. Got me a book. Got me some nuts, almonds, and pecans. So good. Got me some water. And my cup with ice. Got the kids' Disney cup. But y'all should read this book. I feel like it's really helping me. Well, I just started doing the techniques out of it, but I've been manifesting for years now without knowing it. So it's like when you realize what manifesting is and how it works, like you start thinking about all the things you done manifested in your life up until this time. And I done manifested so much.